Hey friends, welcome to this little bonus video. So this is all about keeping your motivation up, meaning when people start with Power BI, they often dive into the great visualizations which are available for them and the interactive reports and all these great things. However, then they get started with DAX and then the issues arise. And then the question of course always is, why is DAX so difficult? So there are various stages which everyone, and believe me, everyone is going through. So you get started, and also me, for instance, got frustrated a lot of times, and I did not know where the actual issue was. But I just want to encourage you here, really keep going, never give up, because learning DAX is a continuous journey, and it takes time. And repetition is really key here. Remember the old saying, how to become a great photographer? Well, you take 1,000 pictures, and that's how you get better. So start small, dissect your code, never give up, don't get discouraged, and just keep going, okay? So let's do that.